Hey, so I've just been running in circles. So, like, are enemies spawning anywhere else besides, like, here?
I have no idea. I don't even know what's happening, honestly. We've been talking about making this... We went from doing an international sports thing to just talking about basketball. Whereas you can't actually pick a team that you actually like. I'm so confused of where we are in life right now, to tell you the truth.
Okay. Quite honestly, I was just, like, making a joke about how basketball has become a part of the Olympics, but it's really not fair because they allow pro players to play, and, like, we arguably have the best pro players.
Nah! No! That's all.
Can we go over there? Oh, we can go over there.
That's a guy, 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 that's a guy.
See what the haps is. Oh, there's someone over there. He's in the truck. Don't worry, truck, I'll save you from this enemy. I don't know what team we're on. I don't know what side. I don't know what power we're a part of.
Holy crap, I died!
Whoa! What the heck? Did they just destroy that building? That's amazing.
No, I didn't. I didn't die. That was weird. That's... Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, I got knocked
What did
off
I just witness?
Guys, I gotta get closer to kill him because I got a shotgun. His name was Invisible Man.
What the African crap F?
But I saw... What the... What? What? Oh, jeez. Hey, Black Panther, you gonna get in,
You got murdered!
How did he know we were coming, though? Like, that's my thing. Did he just randomly open fire into the doorway? And that was just like...
I don't know.
That was his tactic?
I'm just terrified, okay?
I'm planting explosives, so everybody protect me.
No, no, no! You got a pistol! I was reloading, you cheater!
Oh, lordy farts!
Lardy farts. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's a t-shirt idea.
Cuss, man! Alright, dude. Let's roll out.
Yeah.
Total team style.
Like a squad.
Cowabunga, dudes.
Yeah.
I hope that's not trademarked.
Yeah.
I feel like a prominent member of a team says that.
Squad. Squad. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Birds of a feather!
Flock together!
Woo!
Woohoo!
Ah! Man. They're trying to kill us. They're trying to...
Oh, you guys are so dead. Well then. Gonna go over here and hide.
I don't have any, like, weapons that I can, like, use. Oh no, that was a grenade. Why did I do that? Oh, yeah, all I got is an ammo box and landmines. So,
Just kill another guy in there.
I wasn't built for this kind of, attack. So I'm gonna just do a grenade over here.
Wow. Okay.
How?
Someone blew me up with a sticky dynamite. Would anyone like to revive me? Please, I'm only in artillery fire. It's all good. It's all good. I'm only in the middle of artillery fire.
Safe.
You may find me. You can get me. Come on.
Alright, I'm gonna spawn on Black Panther.
He's LT right now, so.
Well, then I have to protect him with my life.
No, you're good.
Nah, dude. That's how LT works. I just watched one of our squad members get murked.
It stands for literally take care of.
Dude, do not run in there. Do not run in there.
You didn't have to run in there.
Okay.
You're dead.
Should've ran in there.
Oh man. You know, now I'm starting to believe that you're not really leaning toward this, say, Olympic idea that I had going on, and more leaning toward just creating more basketball.
I mean, dude, if that's...
Oh my god, that's what we can call it, the Olympics.
You know what else I'm thinking we could call it? Just like to make it cool.
Swear to God, if you say basketball.